Hello foodies, welcome back again to my channel. So today we'll be making something fun. Today's recipe is chicken stew. So we all have our own versions of making stew, but this is a coconut based recipe, very creamy and very tasty. You can add veggies or you can just have the chicken stew as is. This is a very filling dish, so you can have the chicken stew as is, and it's a one pot meal, very easy to make. So are you ready? Let's get started. Come on.
This is one of the very satisfying comfort foods. I'm using chicken thighs with bones as they are very tender when cooked and the bones always make a flavorful stock. Always use crushed garlic, ginger and chilies as they have a robust flavor. We will saute this on medium flame until the chicken changes color and releases some moisture. This is very important so that the rawness of the chicken goes off. Now carrots, potatoes and cauliflower need to cook a little longer. You can also adjust the quantity of pepper later. Saffron will give a nice rich flavor to the dish. Cover and cook and allow the moisture to release a bit. Now here you can add any other veggies of your choice like broccoli, corn, mushrooms, cabbage if you like. The sky is the limit. Try to cut the veggies bite-sized for presentation and easy cooking. You can adjust the water as per how much liquid you like, but don't make it too watery. One good mix and we will allow this to cook until the chicken is tender. It doesn't take much time for the chicken to cook. Try to use thick coconut milk if possible for a nice creamy stew consistency. Wow, look how awesome this looks after the addition of the coconut milk. So tempting, right? Adults and children all love this stew as it's so colorful and full of flavor. Now if the chicken breaks off easily from the bone, then it's cooked completely. Perfect. Now for the final garnish of coriander leaves and mint, and we are ready to serve this awesome one-pot meal. Take a look at the description box for the full recipe and some more amazing recipe links just for you. Thanks for watching.
So now this recipe will be in your soup collection, or you can have into your one pot meal collection. You can make this when you're really tired of making 2 or 3 dishes at a time. It looks amazing. You can even serve it to your guests. Your family will love it. Take a look at the links below. I have posted some soup recipes, some one pot meal recipes, some casserole recipes. See if you like it and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.